welcome to my vlog.
Wow, yeah. Shadow Palm Cemetery, it's a party up in here. Show 'em the love. Yeah. Get in on the vibe, just subscribe. Whoa!
Okay, hello and welcome. Today I spent most of the morning making my dancing troll. If you haven't seen that yet, check it out. It's a troll that dances, sings about the wonders that is my yard haunt, and asks you to subscribe. So if you haven't subscribed yet, please subscribe. Always listen to a troll. And then after that, I ran out to Radio Shack, actually 2 Radio Shacks, and then to one twice. I decided I was going to follow this schematic and build something to make my talking skull say what I want instead of what it wants to say. And got there, bought most of the parts to build 2 of them because I'm going to make another talking skull. And they were missing a couple pieces I needed, so then I went to another Radio Shack to get the other part, and then when I was there, I saw that for a lot less money I could buy this kit here, and so I bought 2 of them. So I wound up exchanging everything I bought at that store and getting one of these, which should be a lot easier. It's a sound to light, so I'm hoping it works. It looks like the voltage is going to be about the same. And then I ran over to the other store, the first store, returned everything there that I got except for a few things, and purchased another one of these because the other store only had one, so I've been running around like crazy. And then I got, this works with a microphone, so what I did is I purchased a 1/8" jack that I'm going to put in place of the microphone so that I can play any MP3 or whatever through a player to see if it functions. So it'll be interesting when I put this together, especially since I suck at electronics. So it should be interesting and ugly and all scary and all of the above, all of those things. But what the heck? I'll give it a try. Life's about trying new things. So we'll see what happens, and then hopefully it will function. And I will be sure to share that with you if it does. And so check back with me with it if it works or not. Okay, I finished putting it all together. Here it is, sort of. I took 2 leads and have them off of where these guys were supposed to attach, the little lights, LED lights. And then here I've got the microphone just screwed on. I don't have it, I didn't solder it because I'm going to replace that with an 1/8" jack. I just put that on to test it. Seems to be testing fine. 9-volt battery there. Seems to be testing fine with the lights, but when I hooked it up to the servo, wasn't working properly. Wasn't working at all, and I'm not quite sure why. I think it's probably because the way I've got this hooked up and holding the leads to the servo and the whole deal just wasn't working, because I tested it with my voltmeter and found that when I have the light hooked up, if I just hook one of them up, I draw on 1.5 volts, but if I don't and I hook directly up the voltmeter up to the wires, if I make a loud enough sound, I'm getting almost a full 9 volts. I'm getting like 8 point something. So I don't know enough about... Okay, unfortunately I don't know anything about electronics, so I'm not quite sure what that means. But I'll figure it out. Work on it and get something going here. And then I'm going to hook them up to this guy, and then hopefully I'll have another working prop and have him saying whatever I want him to say instead of that stupid Happy Halloween thing he was saying before, and nice costume and all kinds of cool stuff like that. And say, nice costume, can I get a drink in here, and Happy Halloween, which is, you know, I guess cool at first, and then it just gets really, really annoying. I'm not quite sure what I'm going to have him say yet. Maybe sing a pirate song or something. I don't know. But anyway, that's where I am right now. Hopefully I'll get this tested later on today, hooked up and working on the servo. and that'll be awesome. And then I will be a happy person. So thank you for watching, and I'll give you an update tomorrow. Thanks.